In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TradeZella to interactive brokers. So the first thing you have to do here in your dashboard, click on the Add Trade button at the top left, and then click on Add New Account in the top right. From here, you want to look for interactive brokers. For me, there's already the interactive brokers icon down here under popular. If for you, for some reason, it's not here, just type in interactive and you're going to find it. Click on it and click on continue. Now from here you have three options. You could either file upload, which basically allows you to upload a file, a usually CSV file, and then basically connect via that. However, that's not going to be auto updating. You have the add manually option where you can add in your trades manually, which is also going to require some work, or the method which most of you are going to likely choose is the auto sync. So if you want the auto sync, click on over here and then click continue. And then what's gonna basically be required here is the flex token, activity flex query ID, and then the date format. So if you want to know how to do this, as you can see, it's basically an integration through flex reports. So basically you can do expand instructions over here. If you want to know how to do this, you can go to the integration guide. It's going to open it up in a separate tab here, and it's going to show you exactly how to do this basically inside your account. So it's going to tell you how to get that flex token. And then when you get your flex token, you'll be able to go ahead and basically just input it in there. Okay, so that's essentially how you do it. I would show you how to do this. However, I do not want to basically share my interactive brokers account here, so I'm not going to reveal that. But for you, you can just go over here and then you'll be able to see how to actually get your flex token and integrate it. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.